So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given a triangle ABD, which is a right angle triangle, right? And we also know that there is a perpendicular which is dropped from A to C, right? The length of AC is 4 and the length of BC is 3. We have to find the length of CD, right? So for any right angle triangle, right? For example, this is a right angle triangle, right? Let's suppose ABC. Okay, if from this side we drop a perpendicular on the hypotenuse, for example, if we drop this perpendicular, right? Let's suppose the height of this is h, okay, and this part is m and this part is n, right? So basically what I said is that we have a right angle triangle, and from this vertex we drop another 90-degree on the hypotenuse. So let's assume this is h, this is m, this is n. So this means that we have a formula over here which is given by h square is equals to m times n. And this becomes a pretty important formula which will be used in a lot of questions to solve it quickly, right? So I hope this should be very clear so you can kind of memorize it, uh, right? So to solve this question also, we do the same thing, right? Because this is a right angle triangle, we drop a perpendicular over here. Let's assume this is x, right? So basically 4 square is equals to 3 into x. So what is x? X is equals to 16 by 3. As simple as that. So a lot of questions will ask you to, not ask you, but will require you to put this formula and solve the question. You can definitely solve it by taking some other variables and then solving it, but that will take a lot of time. But in the exam, we want to obviously solve the questions quickly, right? So this is the formula which becomes pretty important. So I hope this should be clear.